Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable HD video and Facebook story upload. So guys, you just need a few steps. Alright, so I'm going to do these steps and you just need to follow me carefully. So let's go into our app Facebook. Alright, so once you are here, what I want to do, guys, is to go into this three lines or your profile picture on the top right corner, tap on it. After that, I want you to, you will be right here. So after that, I want you to scroll down until you can see settings and privacy. Tap on it, and you will be able to go through too many options right here. Which one I want to go through is the settings. Tap on settings. After that, I want you to look for media. So scroll down until you can see media. Alright, so it's right here. Tap on it. And the thing is here. What you want to do is to go into this section, video quality, and tap on optimized. So check the optimized on. And right here on the auto play, I want to go into on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Alright, and scroll down into here, you can see this reduced 3D photo motions. So I want you to toggle it off. Alright, and yeah, so by doing these steps you will enable the HD video and Facebook story upload. And you need also to make sure that the video that you want to upload on your stories is downloaded to your phone on the HD quality. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.